Like, what's that? Show your hair off.
No, a lady doesn't. And a lady does not wander to the theatre alone either.
Sitting out with the hiccups. What are you gonna do? Your arm is all tied up.